Welcome to Cecilia's Culinary Creation. My name's Cecelia. I'm a registered dietitian as well as a certified diabetes care and education specialist. Today let's make Blackberry cornmeal cobbler, perfect for those fresh summer berries. We'll start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Let's lightly coat an 8x8 baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. In a microwave-safe bowl, we will combine the fruit preserve and vanilla extract and heat for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. Let's now whisk it together. We will now gently fold in the blackberries until combined. Now let's transfer this to the prepared 8x8 baking dish. In another medium bowl, let's whisk together cornmeal, flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. Let's now add the applesauce, milk, and vanilla, and whisk again until smooth. We will pour the batter over the fruit mixture, evenly distributing it. Now let's bake for 35 to 45 minutes or until the top is springy to the touch and golden brown. Let's remove it from the oven and let it cool, and then serve. We can top it with ice cream, whipped topping, or whatever you desire. Thank you again for joining me in the kitchen. For more delicious recipes, please visit peacehealth.org/healthyu.